It was 3 a.m. The entire house was silent. Then suddenly, from the room upstairs, and came the sound of breaking wood. When the door was opened, the man standing beside the bed was no longer alive, his skull crushed, and the killer had used the family's own axe. The most terrifying part, every door and every window locked from the inside, yet the killer had already vanished. Days later, the entire city received a letter in which the killer had written,
"I am the devil, asterisk, and next time I will come again."
"1918, New Orleans, a city where people slept with unlocked doors. One night, that changed forever. Joseph Maggio, Italian grocery store owner, found dead. His wife Catherine, beside him, both skulls crushed. The murder weapon, their own axe, from their own shed. Nothing stolen, no robbery, no motive. The killer came for only one thing, to kill. Months passed. The city exhaled. Too soon. Louis Basumer, grocery store owner, Italian, found at night, axe wounds to his head, his companion Harriet, beside him. Same wounds. Louis survived. Harriet did not. Same axe, their own, same pattern, nothing stolen. Police had one thought. The killer knew these people, had been inside these homes, had been trusted, but the city had a different theory. A madman was hunting them, all of them, every Italian, every grocery store, one by one. Fear is a strange thing. It starts as a whisper and ends as a scream. New Orleans had reached that scream. Men no longer slept. They sat in darkness, weapons in hand, listening for the sound of wood breaking. Lights burned outside every home, every single night, as if light alone could stop what was coming. It could not. March 1919. Joseph Romano, Italian, grocery store owner. A man who had done nothing wrong, except exist, in the wrong city, at the wrong time. After midnight, while Romano slept, the killer entered his bedroom. He did not knock. He did not hesitate. He raised the axe and he swung it. Again, and again, and again. Romano's niece heard the sound. She ran. When she reached the bedroom door, she saw two things. Her uncle, lying on the floor, soaked in his own blood, barely moving. And at the window, a large dark shadow, climbing out, silently, and disappearing into the fog. By the time she screamed, he was already gone. After Romano's death, New Orleans broke. Trust disappeared. Neighbors watched neighbors. Every stranger became a suspect. Every shadow became a threat. Police arrested dozens, questioned hundreds. But every time, the answer was the same. Nothing. No evidence. No fingerprints. No face. No name. The Axeman was a ghost. And ghosts cannot be arrested. Romano was rushed to hospital. He fought. For days he fought, but the wounds were too deep. Before he died, a detective leaned close and asked, "Did you see his face?" Romano opened his eyes, looked at the ceiling, and with his last breath said, "I don't know who he was." And then he was gone. Then the sightings began. People came to police, eyes wide, hands shaking, swearing they had seen him. A tall man, dressed in black, walking the streets, past midnight, axe hanging at his side. He would stop in front of a house and simply stare for minutes, sometimes longer, as if choosing, as if deciding, like a hunter studying his prey. But every time police arrived, the street was empty. Only fog, only silence, only the echo of footsteps that had already faded. And then, one day, it stopped. No new attacks, no new victims, no new letters. The Axeman of New Orleans simply vanished, and the city was left with a silence more terrifying than any sound, because silence does not mean it is over. Silence means he is still out there, watching, waiting.
It was 3 a.m.
The question that haunted New Orleans then haunts it still today. Did he leave? Did he die? Or is he still there? Somewhere, in the fog, in the dark, between the gas lamps, waiting for the music to stop and the lights to go out, waiting for the right moment to come back? The most terrifying truth nobody knows, not then, not now, not ever. No name, no face, no answer. A killer who was never caught, never truly disappears. He hides, in history, in the dark, in the silence, still there, still waiting.